Alan Ahmad here. Let me teach you how to say happy birthday in Egyptian Arabic. We have a super useful phrase كل سنة وانت طيب. كل سنة وانت طيب. كل سنة وانت طيب. It means something like I hope you stay a good person every year. Why is it super useful? Because you can say it on any occasion that occurs every year, such as anniversaries, national days, and religious events. To reply, you can say وانت طيب وانت طيب وانت طيب. This is how you say it to a man, and you know how to say it to a woman. Okay, so what's the word for birthday? It's عيد ميلاد. عيد ميلاد. عملت ايه في عيد ميلادك؟ عملت ايه في عيد ميلادك؟ What did you do on your birthday? What did you do on your birthday? Let me know in the comments. حفلة عيد ميلاد. Birthday party. حفلة became حفلة عيد ميلاد. عندي حفلة عيد ميلاد بكرة. I have a birthday party tomorrow. عندي حفلة عيد ميلاد بكرة. And by the way, you can just say عندي عيد ميلاد بكرة without حفلة. Now let's read a birthday card. كل سنة وانت طيبة يا نور، وعقبال 100 سنة. يا رب تبقى سنة مليانة سعادة وتحققي فيها كل اللي نفسك فيه. Let's break it down. كل سنة وانت طيبة. Now we know what this means. يا نور. Noor is the person I'm speaking to. Noor can be a man or a woman's name, by the way, but here it's to a woman, as we will see because of the conjugations. وعقبال. This is one of the words that you're probably not gonna like. عقبال. وعقبال 100 سنة. عقبال means something like I hope you witness something that you wish the other person to have. So عقبال 100 سنة, it's like I hope that you witness your 100th birthday. يا رب. يا رب is I hope, literally I pray to God, oh God. يا رب تبقى سنة. I hope that it is a year. So تبقى is verb to be here. It's conjugated like to be here is related to the word سنة. مليانة, full of سعادة, happiness. وتحققي, and that's another word that you're not gonna like. وتحققي. تحققي means you achieve, you feminine achieve. وتحققي فيها, in it, it refers to the year. I hope you achieve in it كل اللي نفسك فيه. I hope that everything you want, that you really want, comes true. وتحققي فيها كل اللي نفسك فيه. I hope you achieve everything you desire. Now let's see the song that we sing on birthdays. سنة حلوة يا جميل، سنة حلوة يا جميل، سنة حلوة يا غادة، سنة حلوة يا جميل. If you don't like my music, it's okay, I'm an Arabic teacher. I used غادة, a female's name, to show you that جميل doesn't change whether you're singing it to a male or female. I just want to point out something. Based on my observation, birthdays are not that important to a lot of Egyptians. Personally, I've never had a birthday party. My case is probably an extreme one, but it hopefully gives you an idea of what I mean. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Ya Gamil. Go to speakegyptianarabic.com to check out our classes. شكرا على المشاهدة. سلام.